Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Creamline Calls Masters ang Cherry Tigo crossovers 25-17, 25-17, 25-21. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Bia De Leon sa likod na kanang 13 points, 8 attacks, 2 blocks at 3 aces. Nagtala si Panaga ng 8 points at 2 blocks. De Leon 13 points, 8 attacks, 2 blocks at 3 aces. Gumabaw 1 point. Negreto 5 points, 2 aces, 7 digs, 11 excellent sets. Pons 6 points. Galanza 9 points, 9 attacks, 5 excellent receptions. Atienza 7 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Alyssa Valdez ng 7 points. Tots Carlos 8 points. Revella 7 excellent receptions. Para naman sa natalong Cherry Tigo crossovers, nagtala si Maranyo ng 3 points. Rodriguez 2 points at 1 block. Galang 14 points, 12 attacks at 2 blocks. Nabor 1 point, 1 ace. Gaston 5 points at 5 attacks. Robles 5 points, 3 excellent receptions. Verdiflor 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Samonte ng 5 points at 6 digs. Nierva 7 digs, 7 excellent receptions. Bicar 1 point, 5 excellent receptions. Dapol 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Winalis din ng Signal HD Spikers ang Capital One Solar Spikers 25-12, 25-15, 25-17. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Judith Abel sa likod na kanyang 13 points, 10 attacks, 2 aces at 1 block. Nagtala si Doria Aquino ng 11 points at 4 blocks. Acona 9 points, 4 blocks. Abel 13 points, 10 attacks, 1 block at 2 aces. Cayuna 2 points, 13 excellent sets. Lalongisip 13 points, 12 attacks. Gandler 7 points, 2 aces, 7 digs, 4 excellent receptions. Katindig 8 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Fernandez ng 2 points. Kunada 2 points. Para naman sa natalong Capital One Solar Spikers, nagtala si Niegos ng 1 point. Clemente Di Guzman 3 points at 1 block. Laila Cruz 6 points at 5 attacks. Makatuno 0 point. Sing 0 point. Genesis 6 points at 6 attacks. Doromal 13 digs. Nag-ambag naman si Alvarez ng 5 points at 8 digs. Estrella 4 points at 1 ace. Tolinada 1.7 excellent sets. Villegas 1 point at 1 block. Orindain 1 block. Ginoo 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of February 6, 2025. Creamline Calls Masters 8 wins, 0 loss, 22 points. Petrogas Angels 7 wins, 1 loss, 20 points. Signal HD Spikers 6 wins, 3 losses, 19 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 6 wins, 3 losses, 18 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 5 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Akari Chargers 5 wins, 4 losses, 15 points. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 5 wins, 5 losses, 14 points. Zos Thunderbells 4 wins, 5 losses, 14 points. Farm Fresh 4 wins, 5 losses, 13 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 1 win, 7 losses, 5 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 1 win, 8 losses, 4 points. NLEX Lead Chameleons 0 win, 8 losses, 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong February 8, 2025 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Maghaharap ang NLEX Lead Chameleons at Galleries Tower High Risers alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Akari Chargers at Chocomocho Flying Titans alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.